Welcome back to my channel, guys. So excited to show you guys how to make these Dunkin fall drinks. If you know me in real life, or if you've been watching my channel, you know that I'm obsessed. It's practically in my DNA at this point. I'm obsessed with Dunkin', I'm obsessed with Starbucks, and I love coffee. So I'm here to show you guys how to make these recipes at home. Excuse the appearance of these drinks. I got them a little while ago.
Okay.
Hi, could I get a small pumpkin cream cold brew, please? And then could I get a small pumpkin spice iced latte? I'm gonna show you guys how to make these drinks at home. I absolutely love making fall themed videos. It's one of my favorite things to do. I actually only feel motivated to make like themed seasonal videos during the fall. I love the fall, as you can tell by this pumpkin. So let's get started. So to start off with the pumpkin spice latte, you're gonna need espresso. However you make espresso at home, whether that's like on the stove using like a mocha pot or like a colador, whatever you use for espresso, use that. I'm gonna use my most prized possession, God's greatest gift to humanity, my Nespresso machine. I love this thing. Best money I've ever spent, hands down. I love it more than I love myself. My Nespresso machine. Here she is. Hey girl, how you doing? Plop that in there. So while my espresso is brewing, to make this the perfect or ultimate pumpkin spice latte, I'm gonna be making a frothed milk, but I'm going to froth the milk with pumpkin cream just to make it super pumpkin-y. And I don't really like pumpkin like syrups. It tastes like pretty artificial to me, so I love doing this. Yeah. I'm gonna be using 100% pumpkin, and I'm gonna use like a spoonful of it in my milk frother. This is my milk frother. I got it from Amazon. Love it. She's literally amazing. So this is my favorite oat milk. This is the Planet Oat extra creamy oat milk. It's amazing. Love it. It's more affordable than like the Chobani and like other things. I'm gonna be using about this much. I'm gonna add just a drop of this pumpkin pie spice extract into the milk frother. Also, is this ASMR? So I have my espresso here with a little bit of the pumpkin spice extract, and I have this frothed milk that's combined with the pumpkin cream, or the 100% pumpkin, whatever you want to call it, but it smells amazing. I'm gonna combine the two. So the one from Dunkin', even though it looks a little weird now because I picked it up a while ago, like 15 minutes ago, it has whipped cream and it has like powder, like it looks like a cinnamon or something. So mine has cold foam because I frothed the milk. Since the Dunkin' one comes with whipped cream, I'm gonna be adding some pumpkin spice whipped cream. I think this one is from Aldi. Love all of their stuff, by the way. But I'm gonna be adding that. And then on top, I'm going to be using some apple pie spice. Don't get me wrong, I love Dunkin'. I'm a Dunkin' stan. I love Dunkin' so much. But I'm trying to save these coins, okay? I'm a college student. I'm not trying to go every day. That is good. I feel like you can't really taste the pumpkin that much anyway. Now I'm going to try mine. Yeah, I feel like since I didn't use any syrups, mine's a little bit stronger. Like I definitely get the pumpkin spice, but it's a strong coffee drink. Oof. That's good, okay, that's good. I feel like you can definitely make these Dunkin' drinks at home. On to the next recipe. So the next recipe is the pumpkin cream cold brew. I love cold brew. I don't normally make it at home because I always forget to make it like the night before I want it. So I'm going to be cheating a little bit today with some store-bought cold brew. I'm going to be using the Chobani pumpkin cold brew. Love this so much. And it says it's a limited edition one, but I always find it like year after year. So just any type of cold brew, if you make it yourself, great, but like I'm too inconsistent for that, so any cold brew. And I'm gonna be using my milk frother again. I know a lot of people that are like non-dairy milks don't froth well. I don't know if you guys are using my oat milk. Like my oat milk froths really well. This Planet oat milk froths amazing. Like it gets really foamy. I love it. I'm not gonna be adding milk to the entire drink, so I'm just gonna add a little bit to my milk frother. I'm gonna add a spoonful of this pumpkin cream, or this, it just says 100% pumpkin. I don't know what it is, but it's basically like a pureed pumpkin, basically. Just like a spoonful. And then I'm also gonna add some of this pumpkin pie spice. But that's basically all I do for the pumpkin foam. You could always add like any syrups or sweeteners if you want it to be sweeter, because you know, like the one from Starbucks is like really sweet. It's amazing, but it's really sweet. So when I make them at home, I honestly just do like whatever flavor I'm gonna do. And with this, I don't have to add any sugar because I still get like the pumpkin flavor to it. So while that is frothing, I'm going to be adding my cold brew to my ice. Oh, I didn't realize this cold brew has creamer. I guess I just didn't read how, but that's fine. The Dunkin drink has cream in it because like the foam melted, but oh no, I was not expecting that. I need to read. I'm also gonna add some of this apple pie spice because honestly this is my new obsession. Ugh, period. And because I'm obsessed and I'm a mad person, I'm going to be adding more apple pie spice on top. But here you have the pumpkin cream cold brew. Let's try them. I'm honestly not a huge fan of Dunkin's cold brew. Like it's not my favorite in the world, but it's pretty good. I'm honestly obsessed with this one a little bit more, but obviously I'm biased, okay? I spent a lot of time making this video, so I'm slightly biased. So here you have it, guys. 2 Dunkin recipes that you can make at home that honestly taste a little bit better, have less like sweeteners and whatnot, and they're pretty easy and fun to make. So make sure you comment down below any suggestions that you have. I absolutely love fall. I absolutely love Dunkin and making coffee videos, so comment down below anything that you want to see and I'll probably make it. So let me know if you try these recipes. They're honestly super easy to make. If you don't have any of the equipment you could get by with using like alternatives, I'll comment down below stuff that I'm using, and thank you so much for watching. It's like keep holding on to this present time, inspired by the ones that were